Miss Shelley arrived at the famous five-star hotel in Delhi this afternoon. She has booked 6 deluxe rooms in this hotel. She is accompanied by a group of expert officers of her own office from Kolkata. A tender worth rupees 1000 crore will be opened at this hotel tomorrow morning. Miss Shelley has come to attend this tender session, but the first 2 hours the water supply of all booked 6 rooms has been cut off. Miss Shelley could not have imagined that this could happen in a famous five-star hotel. So she reported the matter to the hotel manager. About 20 minutes later, a young man came to Miss Shelley's room to check the water supply line. Today, the temperature in Delhi is often around 2 degrees Celsius. The young man is shivering in this cold. After the initial test in hotel room, he went up to the roof of the hotel to check the water supply pipeline and returned back to Miss Shelley's room about half an hour later. The young man looked at Miss Shelley and said with a smile, "Now the water supply has been okay, Mom. One of the parts of the main supply line went out of operation. I fixed it. I apologize for this unintentional mistake. In fact, I am an engineering student of second year and running my semester exam. In addition to my studies, I have been working as part-time employee in this hotel. I apologize again, Mom, for not having water for a while, as it was late to return after my exam today." Miss Shelley looked at the young man in surprise and said, "Why are you calling me Mom again and again?" The young man is embarrassed and said, "I again apologize for this unintentional mistake, madam. I am really sorry for this. Please don't complain to the manager about this. My job will be gone." Miss Shelley said, "I think there are something reason behind say so. Sit down and tell me the reason." The young man said, "Actually, the manager gave me the hotel register to fix the water line of your room. I saw your name is written, Miss Shelley, in the register, and you are from Maniktala, Kolkata." Miss Shelley said, "So what?" The young man said, "My name is Satyam, madam, and my mother's name is Shelley, and I heard she lives in Kolkata, Maniktala. I never saw her. In fact, she gave birth me as a virgin when she was only 27 years old. Then she put me in an orphanage in Delhi. I heard from the orphanage caretaker that my mother used to send money for me from Maniktala, Kolkata, till my 10th standard. I am now 20 years old, and I think my mother is maybe like yours. Actually, this is what I was thinking, so I apologize for unintentionally calling you mom, madam. Miss Shelley slowly said, what would you tell her if you will meet your mother? Satyam said, nothing, just I would thank her for showing me the light of this creation. It could be that she could not keep me close because she had some obligation. But in spite of her difficulties, I must thank her for showing me the light of this world and for bringing me into this creation. Miss Shelley looked at Satyam's face once and then lowered her eyes. Satyam said, I will stay in the hotel staff room tonight. If there is any problem with water at night, please let the manager know. Thank you very much, madam. Satyam left Miss Shelley's room. As soon as Satyam left the room, Miss Shelley closed her door. Shelley's eyes filled with tears. She remembered 20 years ago. Shelley had a love affair with Mr. Akash. Shelley gave birth to Satyam without marrying Mr. Akash. This Satyam is the child of Shelley and Akash. Satyam was given to the orphanage that day for fear of social condemnation. In the later, Mr. Akash married another girl. Shelley did not get married after that. Joined her father's company. Shelley now owns the construction company after her father's death. After a long time, Shelley's mother would wake up when she saw Satyam. The manager of Shelley's company knocked on the door. Shelley opened the door. The manager would like to have an urgent discussion about tomorrow's tender. The tender session started at 7 a.m. the next day and ended at 10 in the morning. Shelley's construction company owned the tender worth rupees 1,000 crore. Shelley's officers are very happy now. As soon as the tender session was over, Shelley go to the hotel manager and asked him to call Satyam. The manager smiled and said, any water problem, madam? In Satyam's place, I have appointed a good water mechanic today morning. In fact, considering the reputation of our hotel, we have to replace the casual employee Mr. Satyam with a permanent employee. Miss Shelley said, where is Satyam? Please call him. The manager said, sorry madam, Satyam left the hotel at 7:30 a.m. Miss Shelley said, please give me his contact number. The manager said, sorry madam, I deleted his contact number a little earlier. Shelley is surprised and said, please give me his residential address. The manager said, sorry madam, I don't have Satyam's residential address, but I heard he lives somewhere in Old Delhi. Any problem, madam? Shelley said, no. Then slowly moved to her room. Miss Shelley is not happy with the joy of getting such a big tender. Shelley repeatedly felt that she is responsible for such condition of Satyam's life. She remembered Sattam's frightened face of losing the hotel job. Now, Celia stand a difficult juncture in the mother-son relationship. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a good day.